Hello everyone and welcome to this extremely short and crisp video that I wanted to do before you guys take the CAT this year. This video will talk about the mindset of the average candidate versus the mindset of an excellent candidate. So do you choose to be average or do you pursue excellence? That is basically the question here. And I will try to convey this to you using popular quotes from some movies and franchises. The first thing, the night is the darkest just before the dawn, and I promise you the dawn is coming. Now this is from the Dark Knight, and for all those of you who have not been scoring well at the mocks, this quote is specifically for you. It could be a situation that you have not been doing well, बहुत ज़्यादा confidence lose हो चुका होगा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई होंगी, but then you have to understand that जितने ज़्यादा mistakes करने हैं अभी कर लो, because Sunday को you can't afford to make even a single mistake, and जो भी अभी तक हुआ है forget about it, all the good things, bad things, everything gets erased. You start from a zero on the day of the test. The next thing I want to talk about is all we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us from the Lord of the Rings. Now you are going to get the exact same amount of time that everybody else is going to get. The toppers are going to use their time really wisely. They are not going to let their ego come into the picture. वो लोग सारे के सारे questions को उतना ही time देंगे जितना वो question deserve करता है. Remember that you are in control. The test is not controlling you. You are in control of which questions to solve, which questions to leave, कब solve करना है, क्या solve करना है, ये सारे decisions तुम्हारे हाथ में. Make sure that you are using your discretion, you are using your decision making capability and making the right decisions in those 2 hours, and you should be fine. The third thing is, don't ever let someone tell you that you can't do something, not even me. And this applies to me as well. So The Pursuit of Happiness is the movie from where I have borrowed this. But then again, nobody can tell you what percentile you are going to get, what score you are going to get, if your strategy is good or bad or not working or working. ये कोई चीज़ें नहीं बता सकते, कोई भी तुमको नहीं बता सकती ये चीज़ें. CAT is a game of glorious uncertainties, to paraphrase something else. But you have to understand that बहुत बार ऐसे होता है that some people who do not score well in the mock season will end up doing really well at the CAT and will get a percentile जो उन्होंने कभी देखा ही नहीं था mocks के अंदर. उल्टा भी हो सकता है. You will again see a percentile that you would have never seen at the mocks, even in the negative sense. But you have to be ready for everything. You have to give it your all. And if anybody tells you that this is not happening, that is not happening, your profile is not good enough, कोई बात नहीं, it's perfectly okay. You will live your life. You have to do an MBA at the end of the day. You want to become the CEO of an organization. Keep that goal in mind. टेस्ट में क्या होता है, इंटरव्यू में क्या होता है, कौन सा कॉलेज ज्वाइन करते हो, दीज थिंग्स हैव गॉट वेरी लिटिल बेयरिंग ऑन वेयर यू विल एंड अप एट द एंड ऑफ योर करियर. It is your choices, Harry, far more than our abilities that show us who we truly are, right? This is by Professor Albus Dumbledore from Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. So it is basically the choices that you are going to make. अब ये सारे choices हो सकते हैं, starting from when do you decide to sleep, what do you decide to eat, when do you turn up at the center, how much involved are you in solving a question, कितना ज़्यादा you let the outside noise come into your head. All those things will basically decide who does well on the day of the test. So people who have a stable head, आराम से अगर टेस्ट दे रहे हैं, ठीक ठाक डिसीजंस ले रहे हैं, एक दो बार स्लिप हो गए, गिरोगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट देन अगेन यू हैव टू एंश्योर दैट यू आर बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट थ्रू आउट द 2 hours ऑफ टेस्ट टेकिंग. अब यहाँ पे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. फ्रॉम द मैट्रिक्स देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन नोइंग द पाथ एंड वॉकिंग द पाथ. नाउ आई एम श्योर यू वुड हैव सीन काउंटलेस वीडियोस ऑफ पीपल टेलिंग यू ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ स्ट्रैटेजीज, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ टिप्स, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस. बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे होंगे. But then again, knowing how to do something and doing it are 2 different things. So make sure that your execution is spot on, because planning का time अब खत्म हो गया है. You have to make sure that you are executing all your plans properly. क्योंकि अगर plans execute नहीं करोगे ठीक से and वहाँ पे जाके अगर कुछ बहुत ही random सी चीज़ों में घुस जाते हो, then you don't really know how to come out of it. So please don't let that happen. Make sure that you have a plan in your head and you are executing that plan really well. Again, it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward, by Rocky Balboa, right? And यहाँ पे ये होगा, right? Nobody has a perfect test. So I see people who get offended when I tell them that I was not very happy with my score. But there is no perfect test. That much I will tell you. Even a 100 percentiler will tell you that they could have done maybe 1 or 2 things differently during the test. So कोई भी test perfect नहीं होता. You have to understand that if you slip, you have to recover very quickly, land on your फीट एंड देन जस्ट परसिस्ट, राइट? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होगा. एक दो गलत डिसीजंस होंगे टेस्ट के टाइम पे, एक दो सेट्स होंगे जो डिफिकल्ट लगेंगे, 2 पैसेजेस होंगे जो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होंगे, ऐसा हो सकता है. बट इट्स नॉट अबाउट हाउ हार्ड यू गेट हिट, इट्स अबाउट व्हाट यू डू आफ्टर दैट. सो ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती हैं चीज़ें. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर लुकिंग एट दीज थिंग्स प्रॉपरली एंड यू आर मेकिंग श्योर दैट यू आर एग्जीक्यूटिंग अ स्ट्रैटेजी एकदम 100%, right? And सबसे last चीज, you are your worst enemy when it comes to test taking, because you will keep on telling yourself that यार ये नहीं हो सकता, बहुत difficult question है, बाकी लोग देखो कैसे कर रहे हैं, तुमसे ही नहीं हो रहा, I should have started preparing early, and all these things will keep on coming into your head. But you have to remember this very popular quote from the Wolf of Wall Street: the only thing standing between you and your goal is the bullshit story that you keep telling yourself, right? So ये चीज बिल्कुल नहीं करनी है. You should not try to underplay yourself. You should be confident enough that whatever you are prepared, that is going to result into something, right? अब वो क्या result होगा, that you are not in control, I'm not in control. It is completely the test setters job to do all these things. हमारा job तो preparation करना था, वो हमने कर लिया है. So you just have to believe in whatever preparation you have done, and the moment you start doubting yourself, that is the time when you are going to fall very deep into that abyss, and वहाँ से बाहर निकलना बहुत difficult हो जाएगा. So make sure that you keep all these things in your mind when you are going for the test. Don't get rattled at this point in time. कुछ नई चीजें invent करने की कोशिश मत करना अभी. Make sure that you have a plan in mind. You have visualized all the scenarios that might happen on the day of the test, and you are good enough to execute the plans that you are going to have to execute, right? So बहुत ही simple सी journey होती है. You look at one question at a time. You decide whether you want to answer it or not. You try that question. At some point in time, you will again have to make a decision whether you want to persist or let go. ये decision मुझे करना है 66 या 68 times depending on the pattern of the test, and I should be fine. उसके आगे मुझे और कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. So keep things as simple as you can. Now, if you have anything to say about the test, or if you want my opinion on something, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to help you out with your query.